my siblings are back home. Because of course they have to prioritize their jobs, and of course he understands because again we have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve.
Mayang adlaw mga higala. So karon no September 7, 2025. Atong tukiyo na ning atong video. Ining pinaka-latest nga pagbisita ni Katie Duterte kay PRRD no. So bisan pa man tuod na sila dito, dili po dai basta-basta nga makasulod sa iyahang detention cell si ang mga pamilya no, dapat naagi di ay scheduling. So atong nahibalan nga bisan gani si Madam Hanilet dili basta-basta makasulod na karon no, kay ang giilag yun nga legal wife katuman jud si Madam Elizabeth Zimmerman. So dili basta-basta ning kahimtang ni PRRD karon no dito sa dahig tungod kay dili siya basta-basta nga maduaw bisan pa man sa iyahang mga pamilya no, dapat naagi mga scheduling nga nakahanay. So karon mga higala atong paminawon ang pagsaysay ni Kitty bahin sa mga panghitabo dito kang PRRD.
Na all of my siblings are back home because of course they have to prioritize their jobs, and of course he understands because again we have to prioritize the country and the people and how they serve. So he was very understanding with it, and it went well. Ayun, madaming chikahan sa about family matters, and then to the point na sinabi niya na ang dami ng alam ng nakikinig dito. Ayun, tumawa lang ako. It was light, it was magaan naman talaga siyang kausap, so it was light but it was also very emotional because I'm only gonna be here for another 2 weeks before I go back and continue with my education, with work, and with the other personal matters that I have to attend to. So he understood that also, and then I told him na, he told me kasi na it's okay if you're lonely, you just go home to your Mama Hanilet and to Mira. But then I told him na, don't worry about me, I'm okay, my home is wherever you are. So ayun, he smiled, he was happy to hear that. But he also reminded me that I do have to prioritize my responsibilities also because I have a life as a 21-year-old. And I said yes, of course. In 2 weeks, I will be back home, and then the rotation of visits from the different family members will continue as usual. So ayun, we are just hoping for good news.
So in 2 weeks time when you leave, sino pong papalit?
We're not sure pa, attorney, kasi ayun nga. That's why I heard that he was, kaya medyo kanina I mentioned that it was an emotional visit because the guard told me that he was waiting all day for us yesterday, and of course I felt really guilty. I mean, yes, it was an honest miscommunication and just the lack of organization with the arrangements namin sa DU, but he understood naman, and he said it's okay, this will not last forever, and I am okay, do not worry about me. So ayun, there has been a lot of miscommunication lang lately, but ayun, naayos na namin ngayon. That's why I was able to visit, and kagaya nakita nila kanina na late na naman ng konti. So well, I had to explain to him also that my classes was until almost 7 a.m. this morning, so I slept at 7 a.m., woke up at 12 p.m. and then I had to rush here. So
good naman na inaalaw kayo ng online.
For now, it's online talaga because of the situation in the Philippines, naman.
The rain.
Ano yung nila, bakit ganun yung... Well, bahala na sila, I won't talk about it. But ayun, all I can say that he's good, he's healthy and thankful and happy that, he has family who loves him. And ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na kaming lahat, we'll drop anything and everything to be here with him. Yeah, he was happy to hear that. So he's okay. Tatay Digong is okay. You know, I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the prison guards.
Namimiss niya masahe ni Kong Tulo.
Yes, ayun nga, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling, pero sige lang, maybe before I leave, magmamasahe ako sa kanya. And so to make up for it, I just sang him a song before I left. And ayun, nakasmile na. So, ayun, that's all I can share, because of course, we want to abide by the rules and regulations of the EU para walang unwanted consequences.
Alam ba ni Tatay Digong na bawal na rin to share yung mga...
I don't think so, but he did ask if there were still people here, and I said yes, everyone's waiting for you. It's been 5 months, but everyone's just waiting for you to come home.
Yes.
So, and there's this never-ending love and support from the people, not just to you, but to all the members in the family. So yeah, he wants to extend his gratitude and how blessed he feels to have you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kining nahitabo kang PRRD karon, no, mo ni trabaho ni sa mga admin karon nga ilahag yung gi hato dito sa katuyuan nga para mapahilom nila ba kay hinangat ang eleksyon nato eh. So karon mao na ni ang dakong mga pagsulay karon sa pamilya, no, unta malampasan ni sa mga pamilyang Duterte ang inubanan sa mga tabang sa mga tao. Kita nga mga yanong tao ato gyud suportaran, labi na karong umaabot nga 2028 eleksyon, no. So unta makaabot pa si PRRD hani kay balot tabiya, no, medyo may edad na, kung kanang iyahang edad karon daghan na gid kaayog mga gipamati, no. Swerte na kaayo ang mga Pilipino nga moabotan ng mga idara karong panahon na. So every time nga magtanaw tag mga balita nga bahin diha, no, magbukal-bukal ang atong dugo tungod sa trabaho aning Marcos admin nga ilahag yung gi hatod ginila dito bisan og wa sila sugua, ilahag yung gi voluntaryo dito hatod ba para lang mapahilom ning pamilya, ha, mga salbahis ning mga naghatod hani. Tanawa si Torre karon, oh, gigabaan na, oh, asa na to gibutang sa Ginoo to, nag-leave na, oh, kinadimot man, so hindi pa na mao ba. So hangtod sa sunod mga higala, ayaw mo kalimot sa pag-subscribe ini atong channel. Katulang, o ingat ang tanan.